So in this video I'm going to explain about how to get short-term gain from Reliance Power. See, today it is started with 3.45, so it is increased to 3.5. There was selling pressure, several times it reached to 3.5. People were selling at this price, again it is falling down. So today sellers were more, so it is fell down to 3.3, I think 3.25 something, 3.25. See, always invest, if you are a small trader, then invest 1500 shares. 1500 will cost you around 4500 to 5500 in between. So invest at 3.3 or 3.25 if you get. Tomorrow it has a little chance of reducing because selling pressure was more in the evening, so more seller was there maybe, but we have not seen the buying figure no after So Reliance Power, how to make money? See, when it falls in the evening up to 3.3, 3.25, that time try to buy as many shares as possible through your friends or even your friend circle related everything. So when you buy in the evening, tomorrow it will increase. If you keep on buying at this price, so more people would have bought yesterday. So that is why see, previous close 3.35, so people would have placed at 320 or 3 after 3 o'clock, so that closing pressure will be there in the morning, so it suddenly increased to 3.45. that means if you are investing at 3.3 today after 3 o'clock, that closing pressure will move the stock up to 3.4, 3.5 like that. So always when you are buying, you buy in the evening. If the price is down, you buy in the evening after 3:15 or 3:20, 3:20 to 3:30 in between. Suddenly morning it will increase, whatever 4% or 5% you sell it, no problem, so that you can save your money and you will get some money from this. See, for example, 1500 shares you are investing at 3.3 today after 3:20, it will cost you 4950, 1500. If it reach to 5.5, difference is minus, not 5.5, 3.5, 3.5 minus 3.3, 0.2 into 1500, so 300 profit in one day. It's okay, no? So without any risk, it's okay. Even it is fell down, you can go for further investment. That way you need to do. If it is fell down 3.2, 3.1, when you are investing, try to invest in the evening, so that you can sell in the next day. Morning you are investing, so suddenly it is fell down like anything, then what you can do? That is why when you are always, don't keep money here, invest and sell with 4%, 5%, 6%, whatever it is, because there is high volatility, you can make money out of this. So this is a stiff resistance. So in 3 only, if you see past 3-4 sessions, so it increased to 3.6 or 3.9, again it is falling down to 3.25, 3.2, again it is going to 3.65. so here only it is fluctuating. This situation you have to follow this strategy. Today also evening, if you see after 3, when you are making investment, buy it after 3:20. See, intraday close at 3. So unless you are a premium or platinum user, so it will close at 3 o'clock, 3:10. you cannot make orders after 3. So everything all will be settled, so the price will be stable, whatever low or fall. Wait till 320. See, from now onwards, whenever you are going to make investment, should start with 1500 shares, 320 to 330, I mean time in the afternoon. Buy shares. So if it increases tomorrow, then you can make immediate money, right? If you see past few session moving averages, it's going to 3.5 or 6, again it is falling down to 3.25. So when you buy at 3.25, you may not be able to buy, or the order will be under pending section only. So that is why place order at 3.3. So past few sessions same it is happening, no? Yesterday or day before it is closed 3.3, again start, so went to 3.5 or 6, again it is falling down. If you wait for more days, it's not for long term investment. Actually, this stock should not be for long term investment. Okay, if you want to keep, no problem. So if you have already invested at 3.6, we can go for investment at 3.2, or we can check in the morning tomorrow. Otherwise, another trick is that when you are buying 3.3, you place at 2 rupees, so it will display, even you have seen in the earlier video. So the price range should be in between so and so 3.05 to see. Otherwise, here also you can check. So it will show as 3 to 3.6. So info. So 3 to 3.6 you can observe from here. So if it is at this price, then you can go for that price only. But next day, if you want to sell or you want to make money, this is the right strategy. So buy in the evening, morning suddenly it will increase in the after 9:15 to 9:30. In between there will be high volatility, so it may increase like anything. That time place order in pre-market session only. So from 9 o'clock sometimes you will be able to place orders, but it will be executed after 9:15. So you bought at 3.3 today. So sell, place the order in the morning, sell, put sell. Price also you can fix 3.5 or 3.55. So this way you can make certain money. See, past few days daily 4% up and down. Even daily 4% also, it is not a small amount, no? You assume you are investing 1500 shares, it is increased from 3.3 to 3.5. Or at least if you are not able to place at 3.5, you make it as 3.45. That means 0.15 is the profit. So 225 is the profit for 1500 shares in one day. Again, to add your money with this 225 and buy another shares, same extra additional shares. So if you are keeping like that only, it has come to 3.3, suddenly something happened and it is coming down, then what you will do? Reliance Power can increase for 20% in a day, even it will decrease for same 20% in a day. You can see past sessions also. That is why when you make 4 to 5%, just exit, sell. That's all. So if you are waiting, simply your time waste only, right? Make money and exit. You will get your money will be in your hand, and along with that, at least you will get some margin. So for this stock, intraday is not there. See, intraday is risky. That is why I'm not recommending few stocks. But fewer 1 or 2 day, if you lose also few stocks, you can get a lot of money. That kind of shares also there. So when you are going for this intraday and all, just go together, at least your friend circle or your colleagues, roommates and all. Arrange one group kind of thing. So not this Reliance Power has no intraday for other stocks. So at least you will be able to control little. See, for example, Infosys I already recommended. Today it increased like anything, not anything, some 9 rupees something. It increased almost to previous closing is 650. So today high was 671. Almost 21 increased. Again it is fell down to 660. So for example, if you are going for intraday, what you should do, this stock is trading obviously at a low. That means a recent high was almost 847. So due to that fake news or whatever it is, complaint made by somebody, it is reduced to 627 something. So now increasing. So for example, suppose if it is at 52-week low, so it is trading at 52-week low. That time what you have to do, before going for intraday, you buy stock, normal equity. Buy stock at least before going for intraday, at least 100 shares or 50 shares like that. So from that time onwards, we keep on trading this one. See, this will be increasing. So it may fall slightly, but it will increase. That time you need to take buy. See here, when you click buy here, delivery intraday, this is investment. So today if you buy, you cannot sell today. From tomorrow onwards you can sell at any time during the working hours. Intraday, here INT means intraday. Today if you buy, you have to sell today only. But intraday has good advantage is that first you can sell. So if you feel that it is trading at high, and if you think that it will reduce today only, then first you can go for sell intraday. See here, sell option, intraday. So you can enter here number of shares, at what price, sell. So when it is fell down, you can square off. Square off option is there. If you don't square off, automatically it will square off at the price around 3 o'clock or 3:10. So whenever you are going to intraday, at least make small group, your friend circle under at least 10 persons or 15-20 persons. First buy that stock when it is at low. From that time onwards you start trading intraday. So buy positions you take. So for example, this is, assume it is trading at low, buy 100 shares, then you start trading in intraday. So that means that buy and intraday buy, there is some exposure, share price will increase. So suppose it increased to 800 or 750, that time You sell your normal whatever you bought shares, same day you take sell position of the intraday, all people, 20 people. That time you observe the price movement. See here also today increased 21, but it is fell down, right? So selling pressure will be there. Same way, whenever you are going for intraday, best strategy is to you hold some shares at least. That means you will be able to control at least minute part. Obviously, if there is no news, this price will be depend on the number of persons selling and number of buyers. You will ask, see, I am buying, somebody is selling, no, or somebody is selling, I am buying, then why it should fluctuate price? See, mainly the price will fluctuate based on the demand and supply. If more people are ready to buy a stock, so it has a lot of demand, so it will be increasing like anything. That means sellers are low or sellers are not there, then it will increase for sure. If there is no news, or if it is not a nifty stock, see, if it is in nifty, if nifty is increasing or some economic growth is there, then this stock also automatically will increase unless there is negative news. So if there is no news, it is depend on number of buyers and number of suppliers only. There is no other way. So that time you make 20 people or 100 people, and go together. That time it will help to some extent. Otherwise you can join this YouTube channel. If you want, we can go together also, but we already have some big people, so even if it is fell down also it won't affect, because we take only mainly investment. Even it decreases, then we will invest another amount. For example, it is trading at 660, I already told at 637, 648 also buy this stock. So now we are buying this one. If it is falling down, no problem, we will go for another 10 shares, 20 shares we will invest. Same with banks and all, they will collect fixed deposit from you, they give only 6%. Finally that money goes to share market only. They make lot of money from share market. See, that is why if you have a lot of money, for example, even if you see Reliance only, many people, earlier it was almost 100 rupees and all. You see the chart, or even if just take 32 low, 32 high, 52 week high is 32 rupees. For example, a person bought shares at 25 or 32 or 30 rupees, he has only 1 lakh rupees. He invested everything. That means he doesn't have money to invest further. He invested at 30 rupees, everything is loss only. So when you are going for investment, you should not invest all amount in one stock or at a time. So only 10% or 5% of the amount you should invest in one stock or in one shot. You invested at 30, suddenly it is falling down to 20. So again, if it is reduces, you will not be able to have enough liquidity or cash. Amount will not be there. That time this price 30 you bought, again if you buy at 20, average price will be 25 only. Again if it is fell down, that time problem will be there. That is why only 10%, 5%. If you have now 20,000 money, 20 or 30,000, just take only 4,500. You don't invest anywhere, because this is and all short term only. Many people made a lot of money from this, because it will be fluctuating. Based on that fluctuation, if you observe for few days, you will be able to get the right picture. So see, past 3-4 days or 3 sessions it is coming to 3.3, again going to 3.5 or 4, 5, 6 and all. They just invest at 3.3 in the evening, at 3:20, after 3:20, in between 3:20 to 3:30. Morning they will sell it. So when it is high they will sell. Again it is come down, they will buy. This is why I am telling this one. Buy at if the price is low at 3 o'clock, after 3:20, the time is 3:20, you need to check at that time what is the price. Wait, if you want you can observe for 1 minute. You can check the here market depth. Best bid, best ask will be there. At what price people are ready to sell and what at what price ready to buy. So there will be picture, and you can see the momentum, how whether it is decreasing or not. If it is decreasing, you wait for 1 or 2 minutes, then you place order. Today it came to 3.25. If it is 3.25, if you make order at if you place order at 3.3, automatically it will execute. But if it is at 3.25, this price I am telling, if it is 3.25, that sellers will be there at the time, but buyers will not be there at that. I mean, buyers will not be there at that price. You are buyer, no? You are placing at 3.25 something. Sellers will be selling at 3.354 and all. So the trade will not be executed. So Reliance best strategy, you have to make a short term only. You got 20% exit, that's all, sell. Because your money will be in shape, no? It increases, okay. If this share is not there, then lot of shares are there. Another important thing is that if you are a new person, new to share market, try to stay in the market for long. So suddenly coming and putting in one stock, if that is gone or it is continuously falling down, then you will get irritation, tension, many things. That time you have to exit, that's all. There is no other option. Instead of that, whatever you have money, only invest less than 10%, 5%, 10% only invest. Keep everything in your either wallet of the broker or in your bank account. Whenever you need, so that time you should be able to inflow the amount to particular company. So suddenly if you are investing, don't be aggressive. There is many opportunities will be there. Even if you keep on observing the news, you will come to know, so which company at what price it will increase. So there is no need to depend on anyone. So but you can see the news, how the people are telling, whatever, you including me or any other person, they are telling something, you take, observe for few days, you will come to know. Even this application particular I am using, 5 paisa, so they will give the news here. No need to go anywhere. It will show Ramco Cement Q2 net profit up by 43%. So if profit increase, surely that price will increase. So that company in one day 4% increase it. So but the problem is, whenever the profit declares, today if declare no morning, it will, for example, today close is at 3.3, profit is declared today in the evening, or if the news come in the late evening, morning gap up itself, it will start with 3.6 or 4. So that time you should be able to buy in a right price. Put 5 price up only, no problem. If you observe this, see, for example, suppose this company declared profit or the news has come after the market is closed, today market is closed, then this kind of profit, some profit is up on year basis. So surely you know that this stock will increase. You read the full news. If everything other things are okay, then you know that this stock will increase tomorrow. But sellers will be there at that time. When the price is increased, people who bought earlier, they try to sell the stock. That is different. But you know that this will increase. But morning starting today, closing price will not be there as opening price of tomorrow. If it is closed at 3.3 or 10 rupees, tomorrow it will be opening price will be at 15 rupees. So when you are placing the order, but if you observe a few days, then you will come to know at what price you need to place and all. When you are placing the order, increase 5 rupees, see 43% increase in profit. Ramco cement, no, check it, this only will take. Ramco cement. Okay, whatever suitable only you collect, you need not invest in this. Just for example, I am telling. See, previous close is 749. But today opening 755. Okay, this is not much difference. High is 796. See? So even you can check other companies news and all, you check after closing the market. If the news comes, no, that effect will be there in tomorrow. If the news has come today itself, during the working hour of the stock exchange, that time today only the increment happened. See here, 796. I think this news would have come yesterday only. See the news, Ramco cement, if it is there yesterday. I think today only it has come. Otherwise, see the time. I can see it has come at 3 o'clock. During the working hours only it has come. So if it come in the evening, so tomorrow opening will be at high price. Closing today closing and tomorrow opening will not be same. In these cases, profit news has come or some negative news has come. So closing and opening will be different. That is why clearly it will be there, no? Even you can check the Reliance Power itself. See, I think yesterday evening more people placed the order, or morning there was buying pressure. Yesterday previous close 3.35, but today opening you see 3.45. That means closing will not be same as tomorrow's open. Today closing will not be same as, several cases it will be there, but it need not be same. See here, if you have to buy this one 1500 shares yesterday at 3.25 or 3.3, you have good chance to sell at 3.45 today. So many times it was fluctuating at 3.45, 5 and all. See, another trick is, I think you know already explained. See, yesterday for example you bought at 3.3 and today in the morning it reached to 3.5. If you place the order at 3.5, it will not be executed. So you have to check here. So at what price people are ready to buy, bid, best bid will be there. Even this side, best ask. So when you are selling, you need to see the bid, best bid. So at what price people are ready to buy. For example, you are placing order at 3.5, so today it reached to 3.5. You are placing an order at 3.5. That means you will be under best ask, so your order will be in the selling. Sell order is at 3.5. Buy order you need to check. No, if you are placing 3.5, there are no buyers at 3.5, so there is no use at that time. Okay, no problem, let it go, only 5 paisa, no, whatever it is. If you, when the price is at 3.5, here price, you need to check again best bid and best ask. Best bid, best ask, reduce 0.5 paisa, no problem, then sell again. If it is fell down to 3.3, today many times coming to 3.35, 3.5 morning sessions, so high volatility is there. This kind of things, if you properly observe daily, you can make 4% profit. Daily 4% means at least average 10 days. If you see, if you are able to make 4%, even including loss 1 or 2 days, if you get loss also, loss means you are not selling, not loss. Monthly average 10 days, if you are getting 4%, so monthly 40% you will get the return. These kind of stocks, see, daily it is fluctuating like anything. At least monthly if you get 20% also, it is okay. You are going in safe mode and you are earning money. So but this kind of stocks you try to exit, because suddenly if you fall by 20%, then you cannot do anything, right? Okay, if you already invested at 6 rupees or 9 rupees, if you don't have money, then you can't do anything. That time you have to make some alternative procedure. See, if you have any friends or relatives, if they are willing to come into the share market, that time instead of opening account from their side, tell them you will invest from your side. Same Reliance, for example, it is trading at 3.3. Suppose you invested at 5 rupees or 6 rupees earlier, some 50,000. You invest now at 3.3, or if it reduces further, you invest 1 lakh something. So average price will be almost similar. It will come down like anything. So whenever you get small amount of return also, you can exit. With that much flow should be there, no, fund flow. You invested something, it is stuck there only, then what is the use? You don't know which company it will go like anything, or which company it is suddenly. You can see DHFL, many companies, even S Bank fallen like anything. So whenever you get the profit 4 to 10%, or sometimes it will give 20% by mistake also. Suppose today evening you invested 1500 shares, 1500 into 3.3, 4950. Suddenly if tomorrow increase by 20%, so almost 990 rupees will be the profit. That time you can sell haram, say no problem. Luck will be there. Some, see, Reliance suddenly increased by 4 sessions. Okay, that kind of opportunities, more opportunities will come in the future. So need not think about that. So I lost that, I would have hold that shares. Share market, many opportunities will be there. You should have some money always in your hand. So that is why I'm telling, only 5% you invest. Keep everything in your bank account or some way, whatever you are comfortable. Don't invest anything, or don't pay any amount to anybody for this giving advice and all. They give some advice. Apart from paying, if you loss means, again that is unnecessary headache. If you are getting any information, news from YouTube channel, okay, that is coming for free only. Just look into that. Even I am telling something, you can make daily 4% if you properly plan. So share market has high chance of getting money. Anyway, we are not teaching any intraday, and intraday will give slowly in few days, but that is risky. Suddenly if you put something happened or some bad news came, so your hard-earned money will be lost. So you cannot do anything. At least intraday in a day, if lost, that's all. But this investment has many things to do. Suppose you bought at 32 rupees, it is continuously falling. See, in calculator only I am telling. Suppose you bought at this 32 rupees price almost 1000 shares. 1000 shares into 32, so 32,000. Now almost it has come to 3.3. For 3.3, invest another 32,000. What will be the price? 32,000 divided by, assume 3.2, so you will get 10,000 shares. That time only 1,000 for same amount. So at this price you bought only 1000 shares, 32,700 something cost. If you invest same amount of investment whatever is already invested, or you borrow some from somebody and invest, for same amount you will get 10,000 shares. So 10,000 into 3.2 or 3.3 m plus 1000 into 33 m plus record, so total 11,000 shares. So average price will be 6 only, so it will come down. Otherwise invest more amount, invest 93,000. What will be there? So it may come down. 93,000 means almost 30,000 shares. If you buy 30,000 shares at 3.3 m plus 1000 into 33 m plus record, so 31,000. So almost it is reaching. So invest more. Check, you can do the calculation, right? You bought at this price 1000 shares only, so 32,000. Triple or 4 times. Last time I said no, 5 times or 10 times. So if it is fell down like anything, that time this 10 times will not work. You have to invest more. So that time at least your money blocked or something you can escape to some extent. If you increase further, you can exit from that. So but intraday, today if you lose, you cannot do anything. Cost is lost or it is sunk cost. That is why this investment has that beauty. Even if you lost, you can make a lot of efforts, or you can play with the tricks and all. More amount, almost 10-15 times or 20 times invest. Borrow from anyone. If you are sure only. In that case, if you are sure it will increase. After making proper observation, then only go for that one. If you are investing a lot of amount again, if it is fell down, that time it will be headache, another headache. If you see graph or follow a few days, you will come to know. Otherwise, you have Zerodha broker, you invested at 32, you invest same at same company through different application. That means 5 paisa I open. Here you investment another 32,000. If it is fell down, that time some amount you will get, no, instead of averaging. So averaging is to exit from the, whenever you want to exit or you want to sell, that time you can follow the average concept already given in the earlier video. So don't pay to anyone for any calls and all. But here if you see this company 5 paisa capital, I think this is also a listed company, trading at almost 774 something. This giving actually there is some kind of plan, platinum. So platinum plan, it will help I think. So if you are frequent trader, it charge only flat 2 per 10 trades free or something, some kind of is there. So 10 trades free again, after that per trade only 2 rupees. So I think that is there in the earlier videos. If you want, you can go through once. One more thing, so if you want to open, so if you want to open Demat account, so there is a link is given in the description. So click on this, so it will go to the web page. See, free Demat account, enter name, email. Here it will also have, do you have promo code, like that option will be have promo code. So click on that, here you enter this promo code also, it will be there in the description, SANN 005. So here actually platinum has a lot of benefits, what it is telling. I think invalid, I entered wrong, SANN 005. So then agree. So you need to upload few documents, you need to enter the few details. This is also given in the previous video. Otherwise if you want to show that code also, I will show. So it will come when you click the mobile application, it will be like that. It will ask to enter the pin. So here that you can check, refer. If you want to use this one, you use it. So this under I am giving the description itself, that link for opening account. Use laptop or computer only, because you need to upload few documents. Actually platinum has benefits. If you want, I will show that also. That means platinum plan is there, only 588 is charged I think. I'll show. I think first time I got some referral, somebody referred. See here, somebody used my promo code. I think I bought that platinum subscription, it is not visible I think. Yeah, see, platinum subscription monthly 588. So this is valid till tomorrow only, 31st. Before that you need to buy. So if you subscribe to this one, if you refer your friends, you will get almost 1000 rupees. See, I got only 5 to 7 before opting for this. So first time I got this 5 to 7, somebody used my promo code. It's okay, no? If at least if you refer monthly one person, you will get 1000 from this. 588 only you are paying. If you go platinum plan, you will get another benefits also. I will show that benefits also. Actually, platinum, if you are frequent trader or if you are placing more than 100 orders in 1 month, it will helpful surely. I think that is monthly 100 trades free. I think that kind of news is there. So platinum is platinum only. There are many benefits are there. You can try once this 5 paisa. Good actually. User friendly application. So monthly I think they charge around 499 plus GST. It will cost approximately 588. It is already debited to my ledger. So this is platinum. I think validity is 31st October. I think that validity is for 1 month extra. I think if you use continuously for 12 months, 1 month they will give the free platinum. Apart from this, where is this here? You need to click this one, ledger, subscribe. It's not giving only. Where are the benefits? Yeah, here only there. What is this here? So there is gold gold 100 rupee gold wallet will be given. We can buy for that. So if you refer anyone, you will get 1000 rupees. 100 trades free. So I think that is for maximum 10 free trades per month. Intraday research, even if you are going to intraday daily you want to trade, that also the trading will be, that research will be free. Smart investor, sensible, everything, swing trader, all kind of benefits are there. Even square of time will be, generally square of time for intraday will be 3 o'clock or 3:10. So this will be 320. Brokerage rupees 2 per lot for equity. Smart mentions few, there are good advantages. If you want, you can try this 5paisa.com. So in the description I'll give the link for opening Demat account for free. So try this. If you are a frequent trader, this platinum plan will help like anything.